Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will see one interesting point why the name Python is given to Python programming language. So as we know, Python was created by Guido van Rossum and it's first released on February 20, 1991. There is a fact behind choosing the name Python. Van Rossum wanted to select a name which is unique, short and little bit mysterious. So at that time, Guido van Rossum was reading the script of popular BBC comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. It was late on air 1970s. The comedy series was creative and well random. It talks about everything, thus it is slow and unpredictable, which made it very interesting. So Guido van Rossum decided to select the naming Python after the Monty Python's Flying Circus for their newly created programming languages. Thank you.